Welcome back to the channel. Today we're installing Nextcloud manually on Ubuntu. No snap, the proper way. Step 1. Update the system. First things first, let's update the package list and upgrade the system. Step 2. Install required packages. Next up, installing everything we need. PHP 8.3 with all the necessary modules, MySQL Server, Apache and unzip. Step 3. Set up the database. Now let's create the database for Nextcloud. We connect to MySQL, create a database with UTF-8 MB4 encoding, create a dedicated user and grant him full privileges. Step 4. Download and extract Nextcloud. Navigate to the web server directory, download the latest Nextcloud release, extract it, set the correct ownership and permissions, then clean up the archive. And that's it. Nextcloud is downloaded and permissions are set. In the next step, we'll configure Apache and finish the setup through the browser. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's go.